Download the Nucleus Smart App from the App Store to your iPhone or other compatible Apple device. Tap the Nucleus Smart icon to start the app. You need to have Bluetooth turned on to use the app. Pair your sound processors to the app. Once you have paired your sound processors, tap the Nucleus Smart App icon to start the app. If you don't already have an account, you can set one up now in the app. Log in or set up using your Cochlear account. Verify your sound processors by following the on-screen instructions and connect your processors to the app. The connection process may take up to 30 seconds. Now, you are ready to start using the app's features. To change volume, tap Volume to open its control panel. Tap plus or minus to change volume. To change programs, tap Program to open its control panel. Tap the icon for the program you want to use. You can operate forward focus from the program control panel. Turn forward focus on when you need support in noisy situations. Be sure to turn it off once you move to somewhere quieter. To stream audio from wireless devices, tap Audio Sources to open its control panel. Tap the icon for the audio source you want to use. You can also change the volume of wireless devices and check the battery status of your sound processors. Tap the icons to open the status screen. Find My Processor can locate a misplaced processor. Open the menu and press Find My Processor. Keep your sound processor running smoothly with firmware updates. When a firmware update is detected, a notification box will appear. You can also check for updates using the menu. Tap Settings, tap Firmware Update. Follow the prompts to complete the firmware update. You'll still be able to hear with your sound processor while the update is running. For the firmware update to take effect, you must restart your sound processors by turning them off and then on again. For more information, visit our website.